y'all. Well, one of the recipes that didn't make the cut when we did the Cafe Favorites cookbook was the barbecue chicken quesadilla, and we're going to show you how to make that right now.
And I think what you're going to find out is really easy to make.
Super easy.
I am just browning these chicken tenders in the skillet a little bit when we would make it at the cafe. The chicken was baked.
So it would be more low calorie.
Yeah, so it would be a little bit, yeah. So now we've gotten our chicken tenders have been cooked. We're just cutting them up here.
Kind of rough cut because,
yeah,
you know, you want them to be a little chunky.
you just want them to be a little. What I'm going to do is cut this up and we're going to put it back in the skillet with some barbecue sauce, because this is in fact the barbecue chicken quesadilla.
You can use whatever you want. If you've got a particular barbecue sauce you like best, but these...
You might have a buffalo sauce.
Are, yeah, something you like hot, fiery hot. Joyce and I are not fiery hot people.
No,
so.
we're not.
In more ways than one. We just regular old Southern girls. We do like these too, and I use these at home, and that's why I have them. But if you just want to use a plain old Kraft or, you know, Buffalo Cattleman's
Sweet
or
Baby Jane.
there's 100 million out there.
Sweet Baby Jane. That's a record.
That's a record. Chris over at Blue Moon in Spartanburg makes a real good, just a nice standard barbecue sauce. And then there's these boys over here in Greenville at the High-Low Smokehouse, High-Low Smoke Company. They make a cherry infused barbecue sauce. This is wonderful stuff. I will say this, for the sake of time, this is not going to be stewing as long as it needs to in the barbecue sauce. But you're going to want to let it cook a little while so the chicken will taste like barbecue.
Use the flavors.
Which one you want to use, sister?
Let's go with the cherry Q, because cherry Q, you know I'm a cherry person.
Joyce is a cherry fanatic. See, my drawer is all clean.
You did that Marie Kondo.
That's Marie Kondo. She's been here at this house.
The magic of time.
Because you couldn't even get in this drawer.
She doesn't want to see my drawer.
Oh, that smells so good.
Okay.
I'll be enough. If it's not, let me know. What you want it to do is for the barbecue sauce to sort of caramelize, the sugar in the barbecue sauce to begin to caramelize, so it sticks to the barbecue, I mean to the chicken.
Yeah. See how that's good, but we're gonna let that reduce just a little bit more.
So you're gonna have your pan, and then you're gonna put your chicken on the quesadilla. This is cheddar cheese.
Plain old cheddar cheese.
Plain old cheddar cheese, and you can put as much or as little on that as you want. There you go. And just let it, what the goal is to brown the outside and melt the cheese. So essentially what you've got is chicken that you cooked, chopped up, put the barbecue sauce that you like on the chicken, let it, you know, kind of reduce down a little bit. Put your wrap in a pan, and you might have to flip it back and forth a couple of times. Kind of mash on it a little bit with the spatula.
Okay.
Alright.
Now, if that's the side we want, or if that's the side. I think this is the side we want right here. Don't you think?
Sure.
Once it's melty and good and ready for you to go, you're just going to cut it into 4. We always cut ours into 4 pieces.
It's easier to eat.
It's just easier to eat. You're going to want to get some sour cream, maybe your favorite salsa to go along with this. I'm terrible when it comes to plating things. Okay, see how easy that was?
And it smells so good.
Doesn't it smell good? I love that cherry Q. This is going to be good. So if you like that and you want to see us do some more simple little videos like this with some recipes that are from the cafe, or maybe something new that we found, let us know that. Give us a big old thumbs up, share this video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. You just never know where, because you know what, sister?
We're on the loose.
Sister's on the loose. You know, we said we could cook. We didn't say we would, but sometimes we do.